Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Bepro network. What's the price change goes in a Bepro, what's the high price of Bepro, and what's the current status of Bepro and the cryptocurrencies markets. I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's see the price prediction of Bepro network. What's the price change occurs in Bepro in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours, and what's the currently status of Bepro network. Oh my goodness, as you can see now on the chart tells us that now currently at this time Bepro network falling starts. As you can see here, Bepro network falls in this time, as you can see here. So friends, if we look the average change in the previous last 2 hours, so the average change occur in the Bepro network is about positive 1.41%. change occur in the Bepro in the last 2 hours, and the high price of Bepro is about $0.016698 is the high price of Bepro network in the previous last 2 hours. That is the last 2 hour price prediction, last 2 hour price change occur in Bepro network. You are watching now on the IB Stack channel. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's the price change goes in the last 1 hour, what's the high price and what's the current price. As I told you in the start of this video friends that now currently at this time Bepro network falling down. As you can see here, a massive dump occur in the Bepro network currently. A big dump starts now from this time. So friends, if we look the average change occur in the previous hours, so the average change is absolutely good because the previous hours they take a jump. As you can see here, the previous hour they take a jump, but currently at this time Bepro network falling starts. The average change occur in the last 1 hour is about positive 1.26% chance occur in the Bepro network, and the high price of Bepro network is about $0.016698 is the high price of Bepro in the last 1 hour friends. So friends, according to the price prediction, both are positive, but if we look the current situation of Bepro network, so they are in the fall. So friends, my decision, if you are a holder of Bepro network, so my suggestion for all of you that hold your Bepro network with the end of this month, because your big pumps are coming soon. Their target is very big in this month, so please hold your Bepro with the last of this month. And if you want to buy Bepro network, so absolutely it's not a good time, it's not a absolutely correct time to buy a Bepro network. My suggestion for you, when the Bepro network start pumping, it's the best time for you to buy a Bepro network. So my suggestion, please hold it with the end of this month. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe IB Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.